Hello teams, this is Jayesh Mahamuni, Formula Bharat CV Design Judge for 2021. Previously, I was one of the cost judges into Formula Bharat in 2020, and this year I got a chance to represent as a design judge. So I'm a, a bit experienced in composite materials, and I have been working in that area. And right now, I'm a composite consultant working as a freelancer as a composite consultant. So first of all, congratulations to each and every team who participated in this competition because it was really tough time during lockdown and working in this particular time and maintaining the bonding within the team and performing like this is really it's an achievement. So congratulations for that. Now coming to the feedback topic regarding composite materials. Okay, so what I understood out of the competition is most of the teams are treating bodyworks as most what you can say underestimated part of the vehicle, but it's not like that. Now many of the teams have their overall weight of the car uh, on their DSS, but they do not know how much weight they are going to put through their bodyworks. So if they do not know how much weight they are going to put through their bodyworks, then how can they calculate the overall weight of the vehicle? So these things are not matching. So understand that why do we need to use composite materials or any of the uh, forget about composite materials? Why do we need to make bodyworks lighter? Okay. So first of all, let's consider why composites. So because we do not want to put any extra additional weight on the car, uh, composite materials are advised to use because they give a lot of stiffness with quite less weight addition. Okay, and generally we consider infinite stiffness when we design a car on a 3D model, but that's the ideal case and the reality is something different. Okay, so that is the reason why we need composite materials to use. So understand this reason why we are using any material on the car. Okay, now we consider all components as I told you to have infinite stiffness, but while manufacturing we need to reach to that level so that the margin of error is not much such that it will hamper the performance of the car or of the vehicle. Okay, so basically using composite materials we by using composite materials we can keep the perfect balance between the ideal case and the necessity. Okay, now understand why you choose something. Okay, please do not say you are using carbon fiber because it is good. So we are all engineers over here, we cannot say it is good, that's why we are using. You should have a valid reason behind that. Also, if you are using some material, suppose carbon fiber, then why carbon fiber? Why particular grade? Why particular GSM? May it may happen that for particular component, for each component you might need to use different kind of fabric. Okay, so you need to analyze that also. Back your decisions with proper validation, physical validation, and software analysis as well. Okay, that will surely help you to correct your decisions in every upcoming competitions. Okay, also do not say that okay, we are using glass fiber because we did not have money to buy CF. Okay, this competition is not about having using costly materials or using some fancy materials which all the teams use. Okay, trust me, it is not like that. Composites is uh, not just about composites, but the overall competition is quite experimentative. It's about the learning process. Okay, it doesn't matter whether you are making your bodyworks with aluminum sheets or glass fiber or any of the other fiber or carbon fiber. Ultimately what matters is you knowing that why you are putting that weight and how much value that you are getting out of the car, out of those materials for your car. Okay, so I need to mention one thing. There was one team which used jute fiber to make their bodyworks. Now jute fiber might not give the best results, but ultimately they tried to overcome the situation what they had. Maybe they did not have money to buy carbon fiber, or I do not know the reason, but they actually tried to use their brains and use engineering to overcome the situation. Now that is something is expected out of this competition. So like think as an engineer, how can you solve your problem not just by using sponsorship or money or any fancy material. Understand what you can actually utilize what is available to you. Okay, so yeah, do more research and experiments. There are a lot of things around us as well which you can actually use in your car to make it better and lighter. So analyze each and every gram that you are putting on your car. You should analyze that, and this is the best way to actually what we can say, enhance the performance of your car using composite materials. So do proper research and experiment with, so there is nothing like sky is the limit to experiment on this part. Okay, so do not limit yourself within with two three, one two fancy materials, and understand the needs and you will find a solution. Okay, that's all from my side, and all the best all the teams for the further competitions. Thank you.